Hi, I'm Lauren with Woodgrain, and today we're going to show you how to create this beautiful Victorian ceiling. Let's get started. I'm back with Pete from Woodgrain. Pete, you want to tell us about the project we have today?
Yeah, we're doing something a little different. Usually we do accent walls. Today we're going to do an accent ceiling using Decramold, which you can find at Home Depot. So we're going to use this chair rail right here to box it out, and then use this little trim to give it a little dimension. So pair the two together, we'll add a little design flair and be ready to go.
So we installed the chair rail, what's next?
So we're gonna add some Victorian dimension to this by adding this trim on the inside of the design. Install is pretty easy. After you make the cuts, you just wanna use some liquid nails and then nail gun to just further secure it. And we caulk it, do a few touch-ups if needed, and guess what? After that, we got our accent ceiling. One little tip to keep in mind, whenever you have an install with two pieces of molding, and you want to keep them equidistant. So cut out a block of what that distance is, and you can use it to guide your design all across the perimeter.
Wow, this looks amazing.
You know, it turned out really well, and an accent ceiling is a simple way to add a little bit of elegance to any room, especially a dining room like this. Today we use Decramold, which comes in several different designs that you can find at Home Depot. Great product and gives you versatility. So really like how this turned out. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like and subscribe. You can follow us across all social media platforms at We Are Woodgrain.
If there's any projects you'd like to see, comment below.
All right, Lauren, I think this turned out really well. Great job.